Luka's really a Laker, guys. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I appreciate you guys. And if you watch the channel, you know I'm a Laker fan. Kobe's like a god to me. So a couple of days ago, I took a trip to Los Angeles. I took my son to see the Lakers game, Lakers versus Knicks. What a special feeling, man. That's when it really dawned on me, seeing it live in person, that Luka is a Laker. So being that he's a Laker, he's home team now. You know I had to go get the kicks, right, man? I had to go get the Luka kicks. It doubles. He's with Jordan brand, so it's fit right under my umbrella. I went and got my first pair of Lukas, man. So in this video, man, we're going to do a 4K review on these joints. I mean, I don't know how I feel about them yet. They are Jordan, so you know the material's right. And hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. These are called the Luka 3 Blurred Vision. It's supposed to mimic how the opponents see him in blurry when he's attacking the basket. At first I thought it was supposed to like mimic all the teams he played against, but I kind of see the blur situation now, man. Like I said, it's a different one from Sneaker Notes, man. This is a different one, but it's Luka. He's a Laker, and this is Jordan brand. I was so ecstatic that Luka was here, man. It wasn't only the sneakers I copped. You know I had to get some merch, man. So this from my friends over there at Market Studios. Like, as soon as Luka got traded, like, not that day, but maybe the day after, they dropped a tee. And I couldn't get the jersey yet because the jerseys came out like a week later. So I had to go do it, man. So this is the Market Studios Luka tee. You see his face is in yellow and purple. Wasn't even sure if he wanted to be there yet. He still was a little mad. But I really like that. The back says Luka in the Los Angeles Lakers font. Great material, guys. You know it's Market Studios. I think I paid $50 for this, man. But this is dope. And while I was in LA, I finally got a Lake Show hoodie. Y'all know I live in Brooklyn, New York, man. So when I go to my local Foot Lockers and stuff like that, it's all Knick gear, Yankee gear, Rangers gear. You really can't get this looks unless you're on the West Coast. So this Nike hoodie right here is super soft, man. I don't even, it say dry fit. It's not tech, but it is super soft, man. Reads Lake Show on the front real big, man. I actually got these for a crazy steal on Hibbert, so that's another reason why I couldn't pass. I paid $60 for these guys. After they finally came, I looked up. StockX, they're around 100 to 150, and then some stores that still got them, like Champs and Dick's Sporting Goods, they're around 130, I think retail was. But I got these for $60. So if you want to pause the video, head over to HibitSports.com and check them out. They have like 4 different versions also, man. So you know we don't do too much long talking here, Sneaker Notes, man. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir, man. Nice blue and white cardboard box. I guess because he's with the Mavs at the time, so that kind of makes sense. Right here, you get Luka's logo. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to be a 77, which is his jersey number, or it's supposed to be an L and a D kind of Luka Doncic look. But I like the logo, especially in that chrome silver wrapping. The label reads Jordan Luka 3 Vapor Green Hyper Jade Cone. And another chrome Jordan logo there. When you flip open the lid, before you even get to the tissue paper, you get a Move to Zero cardboard box here. I guess they're trying to say this box was made with at least 20% recycled content. So it ain't the shoelaces, it's the box. And then you get the Luka logo tissue paper all over. I'm starting to go with 77, guys. Or maybe a 7 in the L. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. But dope tissue paper. And here's a 360 look at the Luka Jordan 3 Blurred Visions, man. And I'm not going to lie. A lot better than the the photo suggested look. A lot of logos on this sneaker, guys. Let's start with the tongue. You get a little Jordan Jumpman there on that, I guess it's the jade color they calling it. I love that aging bracelets and stuff made in that jade. I love that colorway. Nice tongue, man. Like a different look to a tongue, but a nice tongue, man. It also comes in the same shoelaces as the tongue. Go down to the toe box. That's where it gets a little blurry. Get like a peach fuzz, light purple hits there. I really like it, man. But if you look close, the material changes right there. As this part right here is a little hard. You know it's a basketball shoe. But man, I don't even know what you call this styrofoam material at the top, but it's super dope. Look how the jade blends into the yellow, into the peach. I really like this look, man. The front, you get another Jordan Jumpman on Laker purple. Orange creeps in right there. More jade around the bottom. Right here, you get like a cleat look. As you can see, the spikes there. Some spikes there on the side. And that's on both sides, guys. And as you can see, it reads Sediments Desert? Y'all help me out with that one, man. I never said that word in my life, man. But you get that there. Luka's jersey numbers in there. 77 is etched in that material. And then on the other side, some more wording. If you ask me, the sneaker looks like it was made like it looks like the KD Nerf to me, in my opinion. You also get cushion here. Told you, a lot of wording in this sneaker. You get another Jordan Jumpman there. But the material, this sneaker feels good, man. It feels as light as a Kobe, a little heavier, but it feels as light as a Kobe. The back, there go Luka's logo again on a stripe. Tab right there. It's not a pull tab, just a stripe tab. But overall, man, you can feel the comfort in this sneaker, man. The shoelace holders look like a Saucony logo a little bit. But man, I'm not mad at this sneaker, especially for $60. The inside also has Luka's logo in there. And at the bottom it says designed by Luka. Get that to focus. Another Jordan Jumpman. And it's just busy at the bottom, man. But yeah, overall, I think this is a nice shoe. Alright, this is the right shoe, guys. So where it says designed by Luka, it also says designed in his Slovenian language. Get y'all to see it. So it said in both at the bottom. But nothing's changed from right to left. Everything's the same. The sneaker's so busy, it's probably hard to tell, man. But like I said, a lot of logos, man. A lot of Jordan Jumpmans. A lot of 77. It even says it got his logo in the front tab too. So there's a lot going on with this shoe, man. Tell me how y'all feel about it. Yes, sir, man. So I'm ecstatic that Luka's a Laker. We lost 2 straight since that win in New York. That win in LA against New York when I was there. But they're gonna be alright. And I'm gonna be supporting a lot more Luka Jordans now that he's there, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Like I said, you can go to Hibbett right now, get these for a steal. I don't think I'm gonna be rocking these lifestyle wise. Definitely on the court though, man, because the cushion, the material is there, man. You can tell by just looking and feeling on the sneaker, man. This does remind me of an old Nike. I just can't remember, but that design does remind me of some old Nike. And y'all remember when Jordan Brand was in this bag with these colors? I think Zion even had one. So it's true to the Jordan Brand, man. Again, let me know how y'all feel about these. This is something new for the channel, man. But it might be here to stay, man. As long as Luka stay in that gold and purple, y'all gonna be getting more reviews from me. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.